Hey everyone, welcome to IG Garage, your go-to channel for car maintenance, repair tips, and expert advice. Today, I'm tackling a critical repair on the Hyundai Creta, replacing the rotor disc and brake pads using genuine parts. If you've been facing brake issues like I have, you'll want to watch this closely. Recently, while driving, I noticed something off with my brakes. Every time I hit the brake pedal, the car would give a jerky, jumping motion instead of slowing down smoothly. This made me feel unsafe, especially at higher speeds, so I had to get it checked out right away. Upon inspection, the problem became clear. The rotor disc was cracked. Now let me explain why this happens. Over time, as you use your brakes, the rotor disc can develop cracks due to wear and tear or excessive heat. This can lead to uneven braking, causing that jumpy sensation I was experiencing. But here's the important part. When you replace the rotor disc, it's always a good idea to change the brake pads too. The pads wear down with the rotor, and if you only replace one, you might not solve the issue completely. Plus, old brake pads on a new rotor can cause uneven wear again. I made sure to use genuine parts for both the rotor disc and the brake pads. This is crucial because cheap or fake parts might save you some money initially, but they won't last as long and can even compromise your safety, so always go for original genuine parts from authorized dealers. Here's a look at the old rotor disc. You can see the cracks and wear marks. This was causing the brake jumps and making my car unsafe to drive. And these are the new parts. Look how smooth and solid the new rotor disc is. It's designed to give you optimal braking performance and last longer. Once everything was replaced, I took the car out for a test drive, and the difference was night and day. The brakes are now smooth, responsive, and there's no more jumping or noise. It feels like I'm driving a brand new car, and I can finally drive with confidence again. So, if you're noticing any strange behavior with your brakes, like jumping, squeaking, or a lack of smoothness, don't ignore it. Get it checked out immediately because the problem could be as serious as a cracked rotor disc. And remember, always use genuine parts for critical repairs like these. Thanks for watching IG Garage. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more car repair tips and tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about brake maintenance or if you've faced similar issues. See you in the next video.